In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to remove any viruses or malware from your computer using a free tool from a company called Sophos. Sophos makes firewalls, and they have different tools that you could download for free, especially for home users. So they have a tool called Virus Removal Tool, and it removes viruses, spyware, rootkits, and fake antiviruses. They have a database that is basically up to date, and it requires just for you to put in your name and then your email address, and then just click submit, and this will take you to the download page. You click download, you click down here to agree to the terms, and then you hit submit. So compared to other antiviruses like Malwarebytes, AVG, Norton, and Webroot, this one right here is free of charge, and you could keep it as long as you want. And the good thing is their definition for the viruses is kept in the cloud, so it is required for you to have internet service so it stays up to date and it scans for all your viruses. Once you download the application, you go ahead and install it. And for those who cannot install this application due to an existing virus, I recommend going to a secondary computer and maybe put it in a USB hard drive, so that way you could transfer the file to the other computer. Okay, go ahead and install the application once you have it ready. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan in safe mode. Generally in safe mode, it allows you to disable a lot of running services and processes in Windows, so that way any viruses, they don't have the ability to basically do what they do. Alright, so once you install it, what you're gonna do is you're going to go to settings, and then from settings you want to go to update and security, go to recovery, and then under advanced startup, go ahead and put restart now. Once your computer restarts and is up and running, you're gonna see this menu here. You're gonna go to Troubleshoot, advanced options, you go to startup settings, and then you go to restart. So your computer is going to restart, and it's going to allow you to select different options. And the option that we're going to select is number 5, which is enable safe mode with networking. So go ahead and press number 5 and wait for the computer to restart. Alright, once you get here, go ahead and put in your password. Alright, once you log in, go ahead and close anything that's open. You should be able to see the tool here on the desktop. If not, you can go ahead and search for it. And the reason why we needed to choose option 5 for the networking option is this application requires some sort of connection to be able to work. But in safe mode, it allows you to scan the viruses easier, and anything that's being hidden on your computer will no longer be able to hide, and this tool should be able to detect anything that's running. So in here you click on start scanning, and it's gonna go, depending on how large your hard drive is, this may take anywhere between 15-30 minutes to maybe an hour. So you let that run. Once it finishes, it's going to give you the details, and if it needs to quarantine viruses, then you go ahead and quarantine them and delete them. Alright, so this is the best way right now to scan viruses for free. And make sure you leave your comment and subscribe to my channel.